What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Trading with Easy in the Oracle. It is the recap video for Monday, July 6, 2026. We had a 3-day weekend. We did not trade Friday, and so we don't trade at night. So the theme of today's video is going to be patience, right? Double tops, right? Analyzing the market in real time. And the reason why I want to say that is because we only trade the 9 a.m. Central Time candle, the start of the 4-hour candle in the New York session. We 30 minutes in, and we analyze what's going on with the market. Now, looking at the market, as you can see, we have been on an upward trend throughout the Asian and London session, right? This is going to be the hourly candle going up, 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 up. Okay. Now, once we got into the 8 o'clock candle, we started getting a little confused. All right, look at this, right? This is a doji candle, right? We don't have no direction up or down. This was really, really bad. When you're looking at this in real time, as we was trading this stuff, it was like, because usually the 9 o'clock candle always kind of a retracement of the 8 o'clock candle. So we kind of look at that, but looking at the 8 o'clock candle, it was like, oh boy, this is going to be crazy. Okay, so what we did was we marked out the 15-minute orb, right, which is by two yellow lines right there. Let's go to the 15-minute chart right here. We marked out the 15-minute orb, and obviously it went out of the orb. It came back and retested the orb, and it went up. Now, one of the things that we looked at is we got a double top. Okay, as we looked at the Asian market here, we had a whole bunch of rejections right here. Okay, so as the market was going up, before the 9 o'clock candle hit, the first thing we thought about is, okay, if this thing hit this double top, we looking for a downward trend. And so as we was looking at the market, and when the 9 o'clock candle came in, we had nothing but consolidation, nothing but noise. All this was noise for like 30, 35, 40 minutes. I mean, this was nothing but noise, right? So, look, I took a risk, right? I did take the trade. I took a trade about 9:15, 9:20 going up. So I did take the long, and as soon as I started seeing the market tripping and it kind of hit that double top, I immediately got out the trade because I felt like this market is about to come down. And so what I did was I didn't lose. I broke even with a little positivity in the trade, but in real time, I mean, this was a mess, right? Between quarter to 9 Central Time to after hour time, because we only trade the 9 o'clock candle. So about 9:45, 9:50, we decided to get off. We done for the day. No more trades. I took one trade, broke even, green for the day. No big deal. But as you can see, it did break the double top. As you could tell, it broke the double top, kind of snuck its head above the double top, and all of a sudden it flushed down. Now, as of me recording this video, the market is still open. It's right around lunchtime, and the market is going on a downward trend as of me recording this video. So, one trade, one green trade, made a few dollars on it, didn't take a loss on it. And I did trade on my Apex account. I did take a small loss on my Apex account. But other than that, it was more of a, break even, maybe 20, 30 bucks to the green side, after we acknowledged that this double top here, this wasn't going to get breached. And so this whole session, when we looked at it in real time, the only thing we was really concerned about was this double top, right? Look at that. Look at all that. This is a 15-minute chart. It went up there, reject, went up there, rejected, went up there, rejected, come flush down. And then when the New York session opened, it did the same thing. It went up there, consolidated here, and it peeped its head right above the double top, grabbed liquidity, right? It grabbed liquidity up here, up top, in this area, right? He grabbed liquidity up here, and once he grabbed that liquidity, what happened? We have a nice tail candle here, and it come flush down, and right now we on a downward trend. So we didn't take no more trades after this. This was just a mess in this area right here. So all in all, it's Monday. No need to blow your accounts, no need to take no massive losses. It's the beginning of the week. So usually in the beginning of the week, we take it light, taking it that when you look at Asia and London session, it did some big moves. Asia and the London session went all the way up. Look at that. I mean, so you had some big moves in Asia and the London session, and the New York session. Think about this. I want you guys to look at this, right? Look at this. We have all this, right? Look at this. 15-minute chart. Okay. We opened up here. Okay. We got all of this movement going to the upside. We got a double top up here, rejection. Okay. Then we come down. Then we come all the way up. This is London. By the time we got into the New York session, it became gobbledygook. Nothing. Pure consolidation. The moves was made in London and Asia session, right? We had that nice little trend up. But if we take our Fibonacci, and I want y'all guys to look at this, why the Fibonacci is so powerful. Let's move that Fibonacci right over here, okay? And this is why the Fibonacci is so powerful. We went right here between the 61.8. We peeped right above the 61.8, going from the start of the trend, okay? Going to the start of the trend right here, all the way right here. So we right at the 61.8 from the Asia session, okay? And we came down to the 38.2. Then we went all the way back up to the 61.8. We peeped right above it, but we did not hit the 78.6, right? We was close to it, but we didn't tap it. And since we didn't tap that 78.6, we come straight down. And so right now the market is in a downward trend. Where we going? Look like we're going back down to the 38.2 or maybe lower, as you can see right there. So this is why the Fibonacci is so powerful. But yeah, the New York session, in my opinion, did not do anything. I mean, we just in a flux of consolidation. We started getting the move down, but other than that, this is a possible no trading day for anybody that's in this market. If you got a little piece of the pie, congratulations to you. But looking at the 15-minute chart, overall, the New York session didn't really do anything. As you can see, it's just basically consolidated, and it was just a mess. Nothing to be traded here. You got long wick, small bodies here. Long wick, small bodies. Nothing here to trade. So if buyers break it even, making a few little dollars on the trade, wow, I did lose a little bit on my Apex, but I didn't lose a lot. I really got out that trade. But after we did some huge consolidations, and right here, it just was no trade day. That double top was the one that really had me not wanting to take the trade. So yes, it broke the double top, but it came back down, and you know, the rest is history. And look like we're on a downward trend right now. But only thing I'm seeing right now is more of a head and shoulders type of trade right now. So look like we going up here, we tapped up here, and we coming back down, and we go probably come in this area right here, gonna be done for the day. We only got about another 2 hours, 2.5 hours before the end of the market session. So, but yeah, I wanted to make this recap video so I can let y'all guys listen to my thoughts on what I saw in the session today. All right, if you want to see a live trade every day, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Double top, baby. You got to be aware of that double top, because when you see a double top, oh, this market coming down. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.